In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS to any WordPress theme. We'll walk through finding a trusted plugin on WordPress.com and getting your site ready so you can safely style any theme without touching core files. Start by heading to WordPress.com and opening the site's screen. From there, select the site you want to work on. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the Plugins option. If you don't see it, your plan may not support plugins. Upgrade options will appear if that's the case. Inside the Plugins directory, use the search bar at the top. Type Custom CS into the highlighted search field. If your first search is broad or returns a lot of results, refine it by typing the exact phrase again so the listings prioritize CSS-specific tools. In the results, locate the Simple Custom CSS plugin. On its card, click the author link to confirm you're opening the official listing, then click the plugin name itself to open the details page. This is where you can verify everything before you add it to your site. Take a moment to browse the description tab to understand what the plugin does and how it adds a safe, theme-agnostic CSS layer. Next, open the Installation tab to review setup notes and any version requirements. Then check the Changelog tab. Recent updates and clear version history are good signs that the plugin is maintained and compatible with modern themes. When you're ready, click Get Started. On WordPress.com, this begins the setup flow to attach the plugin to a site. You'll be prompted to choose how your site will be addressed on the web. Use the domain search if you want to register a new domain that fits your brand. If you already have a domain, select the option that indicates you already have one, and proceed. Continue through the prompts to confirm your choice and move forward. After you complete the short site and domain step, the plugin is associated with your site, and you're set up to add your own CSS. From here, you can write custom rules to tweak fonts, colors, spacing, or component visibility across any theme, all without editing theme files. A few pro tips as you begin. Keep your CSS organized with comments, preview changes before publishing, and test on mobile and desktop. If you need a starting point, you can use an AI code helper to generate sample CSS snippets and then refine them to fit your design. That's it. You've navigated WordPress.com, verified a reputable plugin, and completed the setup flow so you can confidently apply